classroom where we are going to see what is the solution for the problem in sanitation. There we saw the history of sanitation being explained, and now we are in the second hall of the museum where we are going to get the solution being devised. Okay, please start.
Yeah. So this is just to represent, especially in a community, when we are working in a community-based sanitation systems, how we can actually map the community. So lot the case one is that you just go individually fill out the form. Otherwise, we also want community to be part of most of our sanitation project. So we use this, I think you may have heard about this RPA method and all. So basically we create a map of the community using locally available material and then ask the community people to actually map what is existing and all. So this is to represent, example, you can see the two pictures that is there, how we have done it in some of our community projects. Okay. So for each house we'll give representation of like some stay, stone, a lot of these things are paper, so just to represent what is there in the community. So with this we'll be able to get a lot of data about community, and also we'll be able to identify some of the people who can actually part of our community projects.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is not much here, so we can go here. So there are one or two things also to tell you. This is something called like for a rainwater harvesting system. There are some of the filters that you can actually install it, which is on the pipe itself. So which has a basically a filtration inside. Filter you can see there is a filter.
This is to be connected
to the
at
pipe,
the outlet of the terrace.
No, below that, outlet of the terrace pipe, that pipe that comes right, in that you can actually connect it. So which is just you can actually take out this and wash it also. So there are one or two filters like this which can be used also.
This has been developed by you?
No, sir. It is just generally we have collated from existing vendors and all through. So these are models of our treatment system that will be one of it. They will have so this is a Arvind Hospital. So one of our first project.
Madurai?
No sir, Pondicherry.
Pondicherry.
Yeah, this is the first one. Yeah, Madurai also has it, Chennai also has. So even Arvind Hospital, most of their project has developed. So this is a Arvind Hospital project. If you look at it, you will not be able to really find where is the treatment system. So what here we have done is integrating completely the treatment system into the existing landscape.
So where exactly is the STP?
So you can see here, sir, these are the parking area. So this is where our treatment system is there. Even here the back side. So all the parking areas we have used our treatment system up to secondary. The only tertiary part is what you see here.
And the PGF?
This is the PGF.
Okay.
So it has been integrated, so you don't find that there is a treatment system. So it has been like how you have shown a picture.
And the water coming from the PGF?
So the water that comes, so here there are two sets of it. One set, like 50% water after the PGF, there is an irrigation land here. So they will directly goes to the agricultural land. Only 50% that is treated in the polishing pond, and then they reuse it completely.
Where's the collection tank?
So this is the polishing pond, we call it as, basically help in disinfection, shallow depth, and then they reuse it in the campus.
They pump it from the polishing pond?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is one of first project we did in 2000.
When was this?
2003 and 4. That's
2003.
the year.
That means around 18 years. And
So it's been still operational. Yes.
So we will need to think whether it
This is a
successful or not.
Devanagari
So this is the
FSTP.
Devanagari one. So you'll be able to
Devanagari
see
is 6
tomorrow.
cubic meter capacity.
Yeah. So this way that you can see the RAM vehicle comes here. This is not this vehicle.
Yeah, not this vehicle.
This is solid waste vehicle. So this vehicle, this is the, as I was saying about solid liquid separation. This is the tank where the separation happens. These two, there are small screens. After screening, it will be, put it here. We'll give some retention time. After that, there will be solid and liquid.
But this is also completely sealed?
Yeah, everything is.
No smell is going to come?
Only you will see is this one. After digestion, it comes to drying bed. That is what you will see when they put it into. Now, but even now, it is completely closed.
Digestion
so
bed is with roof and all that?
Yeah, now it is completely closed. So we have a greenhouse system, which is an improved one.
Yes.
You don't even see there is a solid inside.
And how do you get it dried, with blower fans or anything?
No, greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse
gases.
polyelectric. This sheet is there. No, that actually is big.
Okay.
See, I also have fans. which is
Greenhouse gases.
What we are doing now, we are doing experimentation innovation here also. So we are replacing with polycarbonate, so the drying period reduces.
Okay.
So your overall requirement of space will also reduce. And we are also doing some heat pump experimentation as well to see that how you can faster quicken it and kill all the pathogens. So what is happening at present, we are taking it here and doing co-composting.
Any water that is going to come down and then taken off?
This is again
From here, from the drying bed, nothing.
So there
You
is
don't have
some
that with the
portion
bottle.
of water because it is already taken
Yeah,
multiple
it's
things. So
yes.
we have just a soak pit that is going. But the recent projects that we are doing, even this has been taken it and put it into PGF for a further treatment.
This is a
So this is the Rajasthan, one of the FSTP. So I was saying there are two systems that we do. Whenever there is a low O&M and no sludge, no reuse thing is there, we use something called PDP. This is a planted drying bed which I was saying. So this is unplanted, it is a planted. So here the design is made in a such a way that you don't need to remove sludge every time, like after 15 days. So you will start, feeding into this tank. Once it is get dried up, you will do the next loading. So it is designed in such a way that even after 2 years, 3 years, you don't need to remove. So you've been provided such a free board so that the sludge no need to remove it. But only thing is here because it will be placing on it, so you need a resting period. So if I add it on one bed, I'll wait for another 5 or 6 days based on the temperature and the climatic condition. Then I will have. So until the 6 days, you need 5 months. So this is another method, and we use it wherever there is no demand.
And the plants are the same that you showed?
Yeah, same
On the
plants.
Same 3, 4 items.
Correct, the wetland plants. This is another FSTP. You know which one is it, Krishna? Oh, see, this is a Balki. It is again in North Karnataka. So this is again like the terrain that is available. We use this terrain and then create it. Here also it's the same as our Devanelli model.
Capacity?
This is 12 kVA.
12 kVA, okay.
now.
So this is another DWATS project which is in Kolhapur. Basically it's a community sanitation system along with the DWATS. So basically this is a slum called Rajendra Nagar where there will around 1,000 houses are there. Most of them are not a permanent houses. So what we created is that we created a public toilet here which is maintained, it's not a public, I would say community toilet with a separating child-friendly toilet also, and there is also waste management completely, it's a park.
And all the 1,000 families use this?
Yes, sir. So they use it and it is maintained by the community itself. There are few community people who have taken up this and they have been trained for maintenance of this. The whole waste that is generated,
Where is STP?
this is behind what you see here. But what we have here, because it's a public toilet, so the community toilet, the organic waste is more. So we have installed biogas system here.
Okay.
The gas which is generated is used in one of the nearby houses. So based on their community thing, the gas is generated, used as a fuel here. And the water is treated. The treated water is collected here in the collection tank. The water is being used for a composting.
Compost here.
So for normal solid waste that they collected from this 1,000 houses, they compost it here. To maintain the moisture content, they use this water and they use it for gardening. This has been operational now more than 10 years.
In our FSTPs, will there be an option for biogas?
Typically, initially we have done that biogas, sir, but now considering that fecal sludge that is coming in of more age and also we didn't see much of organic.
Okay.
So the biogas, the generation will be low. It will be biogas generation, but it will be very low.
Yeah.
So definitely we did actually biogas and then we changed it to digester. These are prefab systems. These are small models. You'll be able to see the actual in the backyard.
FRP or?
Yeah, FRP ones.
FRP ones.
Yeah. So we have like 2-3 models. This is a small vessel. We use it as
That
a
is for the settler tank.
Yeah, settler tank. This is a large vessel where you can integrate it with the
All the baffled.
yeah, bafflement.
features.
Like how you can see that.
Yeah.
That's like from the top you can see here. So you have this baffle walls where it can act as like a baffle.
So if you go by this will be the settler tank.
This will be settler. This is we are not actually fabricating. This one is there. This is a settler, and we go with directly to that system. This is the intermediate module, but we are not doing it. And we also have a biogas digester.
This is something similar to what I have seen as a biodigester. So almost the same thing. Only thing is they have said they will fill it with 40% with inoculum in the beginning. And they
also have that
This is a conventional settler sedimentation chamber.
So here instead of a wall, sir, we use this baffle thing. Like
this will be sort of coarse so that all the bacteria can.
No, not like that, sir. It is just instead of that intermediate wall, right? We are using this baffle wall. That's all. There is not be any, media.
And you have these pipes going up and down.
Instead of the pipes, what we have is this opening. You can see here, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. When water reaches that level, it flows
Correct,
down.
yes.
And again, when it reaches here, it flows.
Correct, yes.
Okay.
So there is also
Any inoculum is placed? Nothing.
So natural only, no inoculum has been added. Whenever we go for like where the low organic is there, initially in order to fasten our steady state, what we do is we add cow dung. Initially.
That is enough.
That's only in the first time of
Fresh cow dung or?
fresh cow dung.
Fresh cow dung. Okay.
So this is also a biogas digester, mainly for wastewater. You can see backside actual volume is there.
Okay.
That's about it, and this is something that we were testing it something with a DWAT system just to show how this is varying. Currently, it's not in operation. So this is other small module also, like for registers. This is, you're saying biodigester, na, sir? This is a model of one of the biodigester. How it look like?
Yeah, something similarly what I have seen in Cochin.
This is like that media that you have, no? That's where the microbes.
Yeah, this is a media they also said
Correct.
is required for the microbes to be so that the food is eaten.
Correct. Yes.
Goes up.
Existing STP to like this.
Existing STP like a aerobic STP. We can do it. We have